Install the flange, then tighten the screws. Tighten the 4 screws, securing the flange to the robotic arm. Place the electric gripper onto the flange and tighten the screws. Ensure that all 4 screws are tightened. Then connect the PGC electric gripper using the adapter cable. The connection is now complete. Then insert the USB drive. Load and activate the plugin. Locate the plugin, select it, and restart the system. Wait for the restart to complete. Then initialize the robot. Click Start Initialization and wait for the initialization to finish. Click Tools. Find DH-PGC. Find U, R caps. Click Activate.